Hello dear friends, today I draw this picture using number 6. At first we draw this number 6. After we draw letter V. Then we draw two curved line. Then we draw the letter V and draw a line.
Never miss an update.
After we draw the letter C. Then we draw two straight line. Now we draw 333. Draw some line. Then draw 3. Draw 333. Draw some 0. And also draw 0. Draw some curved line. Draw the number 4. After draw two line. Now draw also two line and curved line. So dear viewers, if you are new viewers in our YouTube channel or Facebook page, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow the Facebook page. Draw the letter O. Our cute peacock picture is ready. So dear friends, if you like this video, please like, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.